Heath, what'd you do?
I did.
What'd you do? Hold on, Bubba. You can't. You gotta stand on your own. Hold on. What'd you do? What'd you do? Huh? Wanna sit down? Show Mama. What are you doing over here? Did you make a mess with the water bowl? And the dog food? Now Mommy has to clean up? Come here. Show Mama what you're doing. Alright. Say bye. I love you. Come over and give me a kiss. Come over and give me a kiss. Oh, thank you. Give the baby a kiss. That's nice. Give the baby a kiss, right? Okay. Alright, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Heath. Heath, bye.